And Clothing is a UK-based retailer specializing in high-end streetwear, sneakers, and contemporary fashion. While it's a legitimate business, customers' experiences are mixed. Here's a summary. Here are the good things. Authentic products. And Clothing is known for selling genuine items from popular brands like Nike, Adidas, and Balenciaga. Wide selection. Their site offers limited edition sneakers, trendy apparel, and exclusive collaborations. Global shipping. They deliver to various countries and their website is easy to navigate. Here are the concerns. High import fees. Customers outside the UK report unexpected customs duties that make purchases expensive. Return issues. Some users on Reddit and Trustpilot mention challenges with returning items, citing slow refunds and strict return conditions. Customer support. Complaints about unresponsive or unhelpful customer service are common, particularly when resolving shipping or refund disputes. Pricing discrepancies. A few buyers note higher prices compared to other retailers, especially during sales. So here's a reviews overview. Trustpilot rating. Positive reviews praise their product selection, while negative reviews focus on return policies and fees. Reddit feedback. Users mostly agree it's legit, but warn about customs fees and advise caution with returns. So in conclusion, And Clothing is a legitimate retailer, but the experience may not always be smooth. Check their return policies carefully before purchasing to avoid surprises.